Mark Chesnut here, speaking to you from the fabulous Hard Rock Resort in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. This is the largest all-inclusive Hard Rock hotel or resort in all of the Caribbean and Mexico. So let's take a look at all it has to offer. Located in the Dominican Republic's most popular beach destination, the 1,787-room Hard Rock Punta Cana offers a unique blend of natural beauty and rock star excitement, with celebrity memorabilia including a limousine used by Madonna in concert. The beach, of course, is a big selling point, and there are both cabanas and beach chairs to enjoy the scenery. I'll also give you a guest room tour, so stay tuned for that. But first, let's take a look at some of the 13 swimming pools that dot the property. There's a pool for just about every mood, and you'll find a large children's pool play area and even a flow rider where you can test your surfing skills. Beautiful water features dot the property, as a matter of fact. I also thought the bowling alley and the large fitness center were pretty cool. For an especially memorable experience, pay a little extra to treat yourself to the new immersive dining experience, which is absolutely fantastic, both in terms of the food and the highly Instagrammable visuals. This is so cool, I'll post a full video of it later. Now let's go inside and take a look at my guest room. It should not surprise you, if you're staying at a Hard Rock hotel or resort, that you're going to hear quite a bit of music. So I'm starting the room tour here, right here at the giant large screen, flat screen TV, to show you that they have so many different music channels here from which to choose, so you can really set your own mood and your own theme whenever you want. I have it set on chill right now so it isn't too loud as I give you the room tour. So let's take a look at more of the room as well. It's a very large room, very comfortable, and also the nice mood lighting or dramatic lighting around the giant headboard. We have a king-size bed. There's also very practical things like that's a little reading lamp that you can turn on so you can read in bed. And of course, I love the sunken living room area. I always love sunken living room areas. You're never too far from a view of the pool and a little bit of the Caribbean. One of my favorite things in this living area is this chair. I don't know how you describe that particular kind of style of chair, but I really like that style. It's kind of like mod and retro at the same time, I guess. So let's take a look at the outdoor air space here, because it's a big balcony, beautiful view. It's been raining today, so it's not as beautiful as it usually would be, but here you have this and then a giant tub here right on the balcony so you can enjoy that gorgeous view. There's a little table here, a couple chairs, so you can have a drink and relax and enjoy the view there. There's also a table and a couple chairs up here right near the TV, so there's champagne there right now just waiting for me to have a drink. The room also has a coffee maker, of course, a big bottle of water, which is good to have, and a mini fridge that is stocked with some beverages. The bathroom area is also quite spacious. Dual sinks, dual mirrors, very nice lighting, and would you call this a makeup mirror? I wouldn't use it for makeup, but I use it for shaving. Anyway, I also want to show you the shower because it's especially big, and I really like things like big showers and bathtubs and things like that since I don't have a huge shower at home. So there it is, very spacious, just like the rest of this room. So that's a quick overview of the guest room here at the Hard Rock. And I think now I should go outside and enjoy some more of the great outdoors. Thanks for joining me on the tour. For more travel tips, please be sure to visit my travel blog, latinflyer.com.